Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to connect Shippo with Shopify. To connect Shippo to Shopify account, the first thing you need to do is to open a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in goshippo.com. Now go ahead and log into your account like you normally do. After you are logged in, click on the settings or the gear button at the top right corner from the main home page. From the settings menu, click on stores. Find Shopify from connect your stores options and click on it. Enter your Shopify shop URL in the text box and finally click on connect in order to connect Shippo to Shopify. After connecting, Shippo will automatically import your Shopify orders, allowing you to easily create shipping levels and manage your shipments. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.